The Cyprus Museum of Modern Art is a unique destination for those looking to explore art and creativity in North Cyprus. At this museum, you can experience a blend of Cypriot culture and modern art through works by artists from various countries. Its extensive collection of sculptures, paintings, and installations offers an enchanting atmosphere for art enthusiasts. The museum provides visitors with a fresh perspective on art by showcasing works that combine both traditional and modern elements. Additionally, its exhibitions and events offer opportunities to engage more deeply with the world of art. With its modern design and rich content, this museum provides a fantastic experience for those seeking a day filled with art and culture. When in North Cyprus, be sure to visit the Cyprus Museum of Modern Art and feel the magic of art.